Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by opening the page in Elementor and selecting the element you want on top. First actionable step, change its position to absolute, relative, or fixed under advanced positioning. This makes z-index effective. Next, find the z-index field and type an integer like 10 or -1, higher numbers sit above lower ones. Make sure parent containers do not block stacking by having their own overflow or position that confines children. Once set, you'll see immediate stacking changes. Once you've set a z-index, continue by comparing sibling elements' values. The larger number appears on top. If something needs to sit behind, use a negative value like -1. Conversely, large positives bring items forward. Remember why this works. Position parents can create new stacking contexts that isolate child z-index changes, so inspect parent containers and remove or adjust their position/overflow if necessary. Also use Elementor's navigator to target overlapping elements. To finish, test the result on desktop, tablet, and mobile and tweak z-index per breakpoint because responsive layouts can change stacking. Then clear your site cache and regenerate Elementor CSS so changes take effect. If overlap still fails, use the browser inspector to locate a parent creating a new stacking context. Often changing that parent's position or adding a higher z-index there resolves it. Troubleshooting tip: if nothing helps, temporarily add a simple custom CSS z-index rule on the element to force the order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.